Here's a chef's tip for making herbed compound butter. What I've got in here is some softened butter, some chopped tarragon, chopped chives, salt and pepper, and some chopped shallots. You can put in here whatever you want. And then you just mix it until it's nicely together like this. And now I'm going to show you the trick is, yeah, this is nice. You can just plop it on many things, which I'm going to talk about, but I am going to shape it. And after you shape it, you can keep it in the freezer. And then what you do is you just cut off as much as you're going to need for that particular day. So you use a spatula to shape it a little bit, and then you roll it in plastic wrap. This is sort of a fun thing to do. You shape it like a cylinder. You keep pulling back until you get a pretty even shape. Now what you can use this with, I just want to pull back a little bit, is it is great on a grilled steak, grilled lamb chops, chicken. You could saute shrimp in it. You can toss noodles with it. You keep rolling. You can make it as thick or as thin as you want. And then when you get to the end, like this, there you go. You just twist in the sides like a party favor to make it all the same thickness. Also great with boiled vegetables. Wow. So pop it in the freezer, just cut off a slice or two when you need them, rewrap it, and it's there for a month or two.